Hi friend, good morning. Welcome to our tutorial tutorial. So today is 15 August 2020. So we are starting our tutorial. So here in this tutorial we're going to mainly focus on the IT related skill sets, and it will going to help to students, professional, and the people who are more interested in IT sector. So who want to also learn some new technology, as well who are going to prepare for IT job. So this tutorial going to benefit to them. So welcome to everyone to our tutorial. So our main thing is that we are going to start Java. So the Java, if you see, it is released at 1991. What is the first developed version, working version? Previously, its name is Oak, OAK, Oak. So, so whenever you can say, then the Java, now you are know the name is Java, but that Oak is renamed in 1995. As you are able to see my screen, that they released the beta version and name is Java. So after that, in 23 January 1996, the Java won the stable version. The Java team able to public to use. In 1998, they use Java 1.2. So current version is Java 13 2019. So if you see in my screen here, you can see the Java history. So when it is started, how it is developed, and all these things. So, but the detail, we are not going to detail all Java history, but only it is a timeline of Java timeline, how when it is created and what is the version currently people are using. So, so I'm going to say what is the key benefit, why I'm going to use Java, what the Java technology provide to the people, okay, and how it help in IT sector or information technology sector, how it is so demanding nowadays, how why what is the key benefit. You can say it is simple, secure, portable, object oriented, robust, multi-threaded, architecture neutral, interpreted, high performance, distributed, dynamic. So if you see simple, secure, portable, object oriented, performance, interpreted, everything looking like as if you are a new to Java or if you are new to IT technology, don't worry, we'll go one by one. All the thing will go one by one. We'll learn how what is the all this terminology is that. So don't worry, we'll go one by one. So next slide I'm going to say what is a simple. The Java is a simple. Why? Because Java is designed for a e- for a you know for a professional programming language, so that you can easily understand or you can say easily learn the Java. So it's very simple. Example, if you know the C and C or object oriented language like C++, is very easy to you people to learn the Java. So that's why it's very simple. Another thing is it is a secure application. Secure means what? It is, you can say, previously example, prior to Java, when user download any type of executable file, okay, they are they usually scan them of the virus prior to execution. Even so, most of users still worried about the possibility of infecting their system with a virus. So like I remember like old age that people whenever any file they are going to download, whenever they are able to get somewhere from friend, they usually first scan that one, then after that they will start run that application. But for the Java, it's not a case. You without any issue, without any problem, you can direct without scanning or without any afraid of your system vulnerability or your system. If your system any, you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so any type of malicious, like malicious program will not going to hamper your application. So next thing will be portability. Portability means you can run the Java program anywhere, like operating system. Okay, you can write once or anywhere. Means you write once, you are going to write the program and you can run that program anywhere. So what is portability? Portability means like previously we usually know that whenever anyone going to write in a program like COBOL, C, like all the different technology, they always afraid if I'm going to change the operating system, if I change the system configuration, so it may or may not to be work. Okay, so because of that, like because this ORI is not there now, because Java have a Java virtual machine is there, it's going to run all your Java code on the top of the Java virtual machine. So you don't have to worry, or you don't have to think anything how you are going to execute your Java program. So it will going to take care by Java. So what is portability here? Portability means whenever you write any program or any application with respect to operating system, your memory, your anything about system variable, you don't have to worry, it will going to run everywhere. So third, now I'm going to say object-oriented concept. So in the next video, we have a object-oriented concept. We can go deeply in other subject, but here I am going to say that whatever entity or whatever thing you are able to visual, like see in the real world, we can say object. So this object-oriented concept it's very big chapter and very interesting thing. So we'll go deeply what is there, but you have to understand all the object, class, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, all are available in our Java application. Then another thing I'm saying robust. Why we can say it is a robust application? Why Java is a robust? So robust is a memory management mistakes and exception handling. What is that? So robust means whenever you are writing any multi-platform event, whenever you are running your program, so the Java like Java have the Java compiler. First thing it will going to check if you did any mistake. Okay, in your program, same thing Java usually do in the runtime system. They have they are going to check if you have any issue. Same thing, so Java is automatically manage your memory and it will going to handle your exception. So I remember that like in the traditional programming environment, C++, program must manually allocate and free the dynamically memory. This sometimes lead the problem because the program will either forgot to free memory that has previously allocated, or try some memory that another part of their code still using. So we don't have to think about all these things. It will automatically handle by our Java application. So Java is a, you can say it is a robust app. Another thing, multi-thread application. Multi-thread means like two things. So Java is designed to meet real world requirement of creating the interactive and network programming language. So you can see it's the multi-threading. Multi-threading means whenever you're writing in program, that program will going to run simultaneously. So what I'm saying, like what is multi-threading? Multi-threading means that example. first thing you have to understand what is multi-processing. Like like one multiple tasks will be going to complete by only one person and one processor is called multi-processing. Multi-threading means we can divide the particular one process into small part. That small part all are going to handle by thread or Java thread individually without any interruption. So multi-threading means it's allow multi-program, or we can write the program will going to run simultaneously to execute or accomplish the work of multiple unit or single unit. Another thing I'm saying architecture neutral. So what is architecture neutral? So I told you we discussed previously that whenever you are writing any Java program, it will going to run any system. It is portable to everywhere. So what it means by like any type of computer or system your program will going to run without like with respect to timing or anything. Like same program if you write any program today, it will run same program after 1000 year, it will also give same result. So so what I'm saying, it is not going to treat different depending upon the your memory size, operating system, okay, whether you are going to use how much memory, whatever you have to change and come, it will be same. Okay. Another interpreter means, like I know that because we have a JVM, whenever you are going to run any Java program, it will going to run top of the JVM. So your Java program will be understand is the program. Whenever you are writing, you have to compile fast. Whenever you are compiling your Java program, it will going to convert from your source code to byte code. So the byte code only understand the JVM. So what I'm saying, the JVM is understand the byte code. You're not going to read your source code directly, so that the interpretation is happening. Okay, whenever you compile, whenever you are running the application, is called interpreted. High performance means what is it doing, like what I'm saying to you is he got a very less memory to run a Java program. Okay. So and another thing, it will be scalability. You can like do scalability of your application whenever user base will be increased. Okay. So you can improve your performance. So like okay, another thing is we're going to distributed Java designed for a internet application. If you see, when after 2000, when the Java blooms slowly, all the internet is very vast. If you see any computer, by default the Java is there, because maximum all the application, all the tools, all the device, they have Java, because it's handle the TCP IP protocol. So what I'm saying, it is distributed, it's not centralized. Means where the program will be go, and irrespective of device, it will going to run same. Another thing, dynamic means it's run time information past the program. What I'm saying, okay, with respect to timing, it is the changing. Means what it is that. So dynamic means your application will be behave differently depending upon the your input provide. So because of that, you can say dynamic means you can pass the parameter, or you can pass the information dynamically to the Java system. So it is dynamically. So all these things, if you see from all the concept of Java, so it is very nowadays. If you see, like Oracle company is acquired the Sun Microsystem in 2010. Now you will get all the Java. Previously, Sun Microsystem has the Java. They actually the founding member of the Java, but now it is acquired in 2010 by Oracle. So whatever a material and whatever the thing you want to download and able to see the documentation, you have to go to the Oracle site instead of Sun Microsystem. So thank you for watching my video. And same thing, I this is my first video, so in the next chapter we'll go deeply in other topics. So thank you for watching my video.